little girl was holding 2 apples with both hands. Her mum came in and softly asked her little daughter with a smile, "My sweetie, could you give your mum one of your 2 apples?" The girl looked up at her mum for some seconds. Suddenly, she took a bite of one apple and then the other. The mum felt the smile on her face freeze. She felt disappointed at her daughter's greed. Then the little girl handed one of her bitten apples to her mum and said, "Mummy, here you are. This is the sweeter one." No matter who you are, how experienced you are, or how knowledgeable you think you are, always delay judgment. Give others the privilege to explain themselves. What you see on the surface may not be the reality. Maybe those who apologize first after an argument do so, not because they are wrong, but because they value the people around them. Those who often call you do so, not because they are less busy, but because they know the importance of keeping in touch. Those who take the initiative at work do so, not because they like to show off, but because they understand the concept of responsibility. Think good of others, because this is one of the hallmarks of a believer, and Allah will reward you for your good thoughts.